Hey boys and girls, here is your practice. I'm going to be reading you this story, and then you're going to need a red crayon and a blue crayon. When I'm done reading the story, you are going to find the character's name and color it red. Then you're going to get your blue crayon and you're going to find the setting of the story and color it blue. Then, with a pencil, you're going to underline the problem in the story. Problem, underline. And then you're going to find the solution in the story and circle it. This is all very similar to what I did in the learning video. All right, so don't forget, after the story, red crayon, blue crayon, underline problem, circle solution. Here we go. Katie loved her dog Max so much. He was a little spotted dog who loved to play fetch. On Wednesday, when Katie got home from school, she went to her room and looked for Max. She looked in the garage. She looked in the yard. She looked everywhere, but no Max. She was sad. Katie was getting worried. She had an idea. She got out of Max's favorite treats and began to call him. But suddenly, Max came running out of her brother's room. He had been sleeping under the bed. Katie was so happy to have her dog back. All right, get your red crayon ready. Find who the characters in the story were. Then your blue crayon ready. Find the setting. Underline the problem and circle the solution.